Are you a working mom praying for the day that you'll be able to stay at home with your children, to be able to spend more time with them, and to still be able to provide financially? Hi, my name is Tanya, and my husband's name is Derek, and he has a background in marketing for over 25 years. A little bit about me, my background. I have been a full-time mom for almost 24 years. Now I am an online entrepreneur. I'm a coach, a mentor, a wife, a mother of 3 beautiful children that we've been blessed with, and happily married to my husband Derek. Our 2 girls are 23 and 20, and our son is 15 and in high school. We live here in Lethbridge, Alberta, Canada, formerly from Ontario, Canada, and we know exactly how you feel all too well. I just have a little story that I'm going to share with you, but before I do that, if you don't have time to sit here and listen to our story, go ahead, click the link below, sign up with your name and email, and we'll send you to our free workshop to learn what it is that we're doing and how this can also change your family's trajectory and their legacy. The story begins when we decided to start our family. And one of the things that my husband Derek and I decided was that we wanted to be able to contribute financially to them, to be able to put them through post-secondary education so that they have a great start for their life. Because that's not a luxury that we had growing up. Our parents didn't have a lot of money, and so we had to make ends meet. We had to figure it out ourselves, get ourselves through university and college. As a matter of fact, I wasn't even able to finish my university or college because I didn't have the funds. So we made a pact when we got married that we would do that and we would provide that for our children. But as time went on, we realized that we didn't have the funds that we said that we were going to, and our girls were already in high school. But I wanted to take you back to when our kids were little, and our daughter was only two years old at the time. And we were already noticing that living on one income just wasn't cutting it anymore. We needed to be able to, supplement our income in some form or another. So we decided to make the decision for me to go back to work. And that was the worst decision we could have ever made. It was the worst time of my life. I remember that heart-wrenching feeling of dropping our daughter off at the daycare while I did a job that I just did not like at all. I worked for a call center. I felt icky. I felt gross. I didn't like what I was having to share with people. And it was, again, the worst time of my life. But you know what? I'll never take that back because it made me realize what I really do want in life. And that is to be able to spend more time with our kids, to be able to nurture them and to be there for them every single, second of the day that I can when they're not in school. And so that made me stronger. It made me realize that I needed to find a way to be able to stay at home. So as time went on, we made the sacrifice. We lived on one income. We stretched our dollar. We budgeted everywhere we could. And then fast forward, as I mentioned, to a few years ago when we were sitting down having a conversation and we realized we didn't have the funds. We knew that university signups were happening within the next year and we weren't sure what we were going to do. I was painting furniture at the time, hoping that that would give us a little extra income. But as the saying goes, time equals money. So if I was spending time on furniture, I was actually waiting for the money to come in because I had to wait for the sales to happen. And so I thought to myself, there has to be a better way. And that's when Derek and I made the decision to look and to move toward online, to find out what's available for us. Now, one of the things that was a hang up for me was being out of the corporate world for so long, not being a part of that industry to be able to have the skills that I thought I would need to run an online business. And I was actually pleasantly surprised. So once we attended the free workshop that told us all about what this was about, I was excited. I had hope. Unfortunately, Derek didn't have the same faith. And so it took him having to get his questions answered. He was skeptical at first because he's innately the protector of our family. He's the breadwinner, as you will. And so he wanted to make sure that everything was, kosher. And so once we got on a call with a real person, our now coach, that's what really sealed the deal. And, we've never looked back. And now we have blessings to share. We are mortgage free. Plus, we were able to pay down our car debt. We were able to help our daughter with 4 years of university tuition and lodging. We're helping our middle daughter, she's now in second year college, plus our son with his Invisalign, which is an alternative to braces. We've been able to travel more times throughout the year and be able to contribute more to our retirement fund and so much more. And we want the same for you. So if you want to find out more about what this is all about, we highly encourage you to click on the link below, sign up with your name and email, and we'll send you all the details. Again, just click on the link below, sign up with just your name and your email, and we'll send all the details to your email inbox, and we'll get you to that live webinar, the same life-changing webinar that we attended over 7 years ago. We can't wait to be able to help you, to coach you, to help you along the way on your journey. And we're looking for people that are God-fearing. We're looking for people that want to make a change in their family's life, their future trajectory, and also to be able to leave this as a legacy for them. So again, we can't wait to see you on the inside. Take care and have a wonderful day. Have a blessed day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.